I want to show you all my muscadine plant. Actually, I have 3. One that I just bought. This one here is also part of this that's on the ground. Long story, I meant to go ahead and trellis this. I didn't, and by the time I got around to it, the guy who's been helping me in my garden said it was too late, that I would cause more damage by trying to, cut it and tame it and all of that. And this is the other part of that plant. And as you see here, okay, we were talking about gardening failures and people not showing you that. Rob was talking about that, and I do have gardening failures just like everybody else. This is a plum tree, and as you see here, this muscadine is wrapped around this plum tree. I have to decide. A friend of mine is going to give me a plum tree from his yard. This one has never been productive. I've been seriously considering taking it down. Maybe I'll even graft, because it is an older tree. It's probably about 6-7 years old now. So I could graft on the part of the plum tree that my friend is going to give me. But what I wanted to show you here is take a look at these muscadines and then the noticeable absence of muscadines here. And I've been told by several people that if you do not, elevate, put these on the trellis, that they do not produce, that it competes with all of this other, grass and blackberry vines and so forth. And that is absolutely the case. These are exactly the same as this. Now this, of course, like I said, is tangled in here with this plum tree, but it does have muscadines on it. And then just want to show you, I picked this one up a couple of days ago at one of my favorite local nurseries. As you can see here, this particular variety is called Southland Muscadine, and this is a this one is not a patented one, and I'm going to include a link to the PDF that I thought was very interesting, and it talked about how to take care of these muscadines. It was produced by, I believe, a nonprofit or a university out of Florida. But if you take a look how productive, how beautiful this thing is. And it is still in the pot. I've only had it about a week. Was waiting for the temperatures to moderate. I'll probably wait until we get into fall before I attempt to do anything, because I got to deal with that and I have to deal with this. But just wanted to share that with you all. Have a great day.